All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency XRP. Yeah, this token is down about 13% in the last week right now. Yeah, this token is down about 13%. This could be that discount buys that we talk about. So we're going to kind of go over that. Coins traded about 83 cents. We're going to go to the website, do a little deep dive of XRP and Ripple. Also, on a little side note, they say that 25% of Americans are using less cash than before the pandemic. So 25% of the people in the United States are using less cash, actual cash, than before the pandemic. And as certain more cash goes away, how are we going to solve this problem of a cashless society? So digital cryptocurrency could be the answer. We're going to dig into that. 25% of US is using less cash. Also, we're going to talk about Blockbuster. Blockbuster may be the first decentralized streaming platform here in the country. So Blockbuster may be getting into the decentralized part of cryptocurrency. We're going to talk about that. So Blockbuster in the news, Ripple, XRP, all kinds of good stuff on this episode. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. So for Christmas, did you gift some cryptocurrency to people? Did you receive cryptocurrency as a gift? It was actually a big popular thing this year that people were gifting cryptocurrency and receiving cryptocurrency. Kind of a neat thing. All right, let's head over to XRP, cryptocurrency. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, XRP is the 8th cryptocurrency. It's down 13% like we were talking about in the last 7 days. So take a look there, 13%. So this could be a good buy in the dip situation. In the last 24 hours, it's down 2%. Coins traded at about 83 cents right now. Clicking it. Over here to the right, we're down about 2.5% in the last 24 hours. Traded at 83 cents. Taking a look in the last 7 days, this token was all the way up to $1. Then it kind of came down to 98 cents, 96 cents, popped down to 90 cents. It rode at 91, 90 cents for a couple days here, and now it's actually dropped down to 83 cents. So XRP is on a downward spiral right this second. So it's down right this second. Could be a good discount buy. Over here at Cointelegraph, it says Ripple News. Founded in 2012, the OpenCoin Ripple Labs is a software company developing the XRP cryptocurrency and distributing ledger technology along the suite of payment protocols for streamlined cross-border settlements for financial institutions. XRP functions as a bridge currency underlying Ripple's liquidity and exchange products. XRapid, which provides financial institutions a medium for global value transfer between various fiat currencies. XRP Ledger is an open source DLT that provides cryptographical, secure variable settlements of XRP currency. The XRP Ledger is not part of the Ripple suite of software products, and it is accessible and open to all. At Cointelegraph, we are keeping you in the progress of Ripple Labs and XRP as they complete the cryptocurrency protocols and traditional fintech platforms alike. Stay tuned. So the good news is Cointelegraph is going to keep us up to date what's going on with XRP. Jumping over to the website right here, community powered by utilities. XRP Ledgers is scalable, sustainable blockchain. The XRP Ledger is a decentralized public blockchain led by the global developers community. Listen to this. It's fast, it's energy efficient, and reliable. With the ease of development, low transaction costs, and knowledgeable community, it provides developers with a strong open source foundation for executing on the most demanding projects without hurting the environment. That's important, not hurting the environment. Why develop with XRP Ledger? Well, it's got public decentralized structure, the low costs, fractions of pennies per transactions. Costs are inexpensive enough to enable a wide variety of use cases. Streamlined development, vibrant community. All right, jumping over here to the Twitter account, says right here, Ripple instantly move money to the corners of the world. It says 25% of consumers use less cash now than before COVID lockdown. As the world progresses towards digital alternatives, what are the options for central banks? You know, we're going to kind of do a little deep dive into this, everybody. virtual fiat built to help money move like information. So it says the global shift to explore CBDCs. Here we go. Unsurprisingly, the pandemic has driven many of us to rely on digital forms of payments over cash. In fact, 25% of the U.S. consumers use less cash now than before March 20th of 2020. Additional government policies around the world are now pushing towards digital currency adoption. Countless payments. For example, China's central bank branch is looking to eliminate banknotes for certain sectors. But without cash payments, what will be the alternative for central banks? Well, they say the rise of CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. CBDCs. The overall mission of CBDCs is simple: to move money like information. To stay on top of today's consistently evolving digital market, central banks must actively review the pros and cons of offering private digital currency in the region. In fact, right here, 86%, blow that up, 86% of the central banks are already investigating CBDC adoptions, with over half of them already progressing with research to pilot the different projects. It says right here, the key to success: by the year 2024, at least half of the world's population is expected to use digital wallets. Did you hear that? By the year 2024, at least half of the world will have a digital wallet for transactions that will be valued at more than $9 trillion annually. The ripple impact: in March of 2021, we announced a CBDC solution that can provide central banks with secure, controlling, flexible means of issuing and managing digital currencies. It's a CBDC private ledger based on the same blockchain technology that powers the XRP ledger. And so this is where XRP and Ripple is going to really do well, everybody. And it's also leveraging the RippleNet technology, the ILP, bringing the best technology together with the supporting central bank's needs. So right here, we got Ripple staying on top of this. Fantastic news. All right, Blockbusters might be the first decentralized streaming platform. Crypto's investors set their eyes on entertainment company. Blockbusters, take a look at this. Investors on Crypto Circus have now set their eyes on Blockbusters as one of the best brands in the United States, best known brands in the United States, and want to convert it into decentralized streaming platform. They have even formed the decentralized organization, DAO, in the efforts to tweeted their grand plan on the Boxing Day. Last month, we covered as much enthusiasm crypto investors wanted to buy a rare copy of the U.S. Constitution, and even a crowdsourced $47 million with over 17,000 smaller investors for this purpose. While the group lost the auction, it did popularize the template of how the funds could be raised for common purposes. Decentralized currency. Yep. So Blockbusters is trying to get into decentralized streaming platform. Says right here, the Blockbuster DAO plans to sell the same trick on the commercial brand as it peaked with over 9,000 stores. But right now it's down to only one. So Blockbuster's DAO said in public statement has turned positive for the brand since its store has closed. The Web 3.0 will give it a much needed new lease on life. So yeah, Blockbusters is trying to do this. So give us your thoughts in the bottom. Click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Blockbusters is getting into decentralizing. Ripple's got all kinds of good things going on. XRP. 25% of the Americans are carrying less cash than before the pandemic. Certain places are trying to get rid of cash. So what's our options? The option is going to be cryptocurrency. They said that in 2024, half the people in the United States are going to have a digital wallet. That's pretty interesting, everybody. Let's head back to XRP for a little price prediction. All right, we're back over here at XRP. On the 3 months ago, this coin was $1.18. It was $1.26, $1.16, $1.10, $1.13. Right now it's traded 83 cents. It's down right this second. Good time to buy the dip. I don't know. Kind of check out and watch this coin for a few days to see if it keeps going down. I do think the coin will get back up to 95 cents sometime here in the near future. But is it still going to be going down? Remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. But this coin was up just a few months ago at $1.24. So make sure you factor that in. All right, going over the top 10 here. Polkadot is at $27. Everything is red right this second. Just down slightly, 2%. Luna's down 4% in the last 7 days. XRP that we just talked about is down 13%. Cardano is up 1% but down 3%, kind of washing out. Solana is at down 3%. Binance Coin is down 3%. Bitcoin is down 3% in 7 days. And Ethereum's down 2%. So we just got little small 2s and 3%. All right, everybody, this was a bonus video today at 8 o'clock. Bringing it to you right here from Frank's Crypto Corner. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day today.